Hey, it's Gianta here, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how to actually build a business as an affiliate marketer. So if you've been looking for videos about affiliate marketing for beginners, and you want to know traffic strategies that work, you want to know the best traffic strategies, you want to know how to build and grow the business, I'm going to let you know in this video how to do that. So let's get right into it. So basically, if you're building a business online, my favorite way to actually build is by using Facebook and YouTube. So basically, you have your Facebook, which is kind of like your warm market. So they're going to watch your content, they're going to engage with your content, they're going to add your profile because they want value. They want things that they actually like to see, that make them happy, that make them smile, that make them laugh, that make them engage, right? So when they come to your page or look at your page, they're going to see who you are and how you can help them. That's the only thing they care about. So I always suggest being branded when you're using social media because people have to know who you are, how you can help them, and why they're going to actually add you. So here's my banner. So, as you can see, I have a banner right here that says exactly who I am and how I help people. And then they can click on the banner and they could go to the text. And the text that I have here, it's going to lead to a capture page. So they could put in their information to get more information about what I actually do. So they're going to give me their name and email, and then it's going to go onto my email list. And then I have links in my description on my profile if people want to check out what I actually do, right? They could go to the links in my profile, right? So that's very important. So people are going to come from your Facebook page onto your email list, and they're going to come from your YouTube videos, and they're going to be searching for a problem that they want to get a solution to, and they're going to find your video because your video is going to be ranking in the search engines, right? So when they type in a keyword or something like that, your video is going to pop up, and then you're going to get leads from them getting onto your email list. So that's kind of how it works. So video content is very powerful because it builds know, like, and trust factor with people immediately, and it also helps you to get high quality traffic of people who actually want your offers or need something that you have, right? So they're going to find you in this way. So you create a piece of video content, and it's like having pieces of real estate out there on the internet that people can actually find you, right? So that's the first thing. You're going to want to use Facebook and YouTube. And then what I would suggest is you need a platform to actually do your marketing. So with this platform, we actually have very good tools. We have an emailer and we have the funnel builder tool. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you the emailer because this emailer, it's pay as you go, right? So there's no monthly fees with it. It comes with your funnel builder tool, so they all come together. And the cool thing about this emailer is you can come down here and you can actually go and you can see the open rates are very high. This last email wasn't so high, right? I guess it must have been the subject line. And I got somebody who complained on the last one, right? So I just started to use this one, but as you can see right here, this is our internal emailer, and my open rates are typically very high, around 17%. This is almost 18% right here. So 17%, 17%, 25%, 14%, 20%, 16%, 10%, 17%, 18%, 15%. So, I mean, as you can see right there, those open rates are very high. So email marketing is going to be your number one strategy to get traffic to any kind of offer, because that's the only traffic that you actually own, or the people on your email list. If you don't have people on your email list, then you're not going to actually be able to follow up with your contacts and make sales that way, right? So an email list is very important. You want to take people off social media and get them onto your email list. That's super, super important. And with our emailer, we make it very easy for you to go and copy an email and go and put it on there to use again. So, if I go into here, I could send to the people that didn't open and didn't click on the links in the email. I could send a broadcast to them. I can copy the subject. I can copy the body, I can preview it, which means I could take a look at the email, or I could just send it to a broadcast. And if I send it to a broadcast, it's going to paste it in there for me to easily go and use the email over again, right? So that's the cool thing about having this tool is it's a really good email platform. It gives you high open rates, and we also have email validation and bot protection with our funnel builder tool. So any leads that come on your list, it's going to make sure that they're real leads. It's going to make sure that you have high open rates, and that every single lead that you email out is a real lead. So that's the cool thing about our platform is we have this designed to make sure you have very high quality leads, and that's why these open rates are very high, as you could see. So that's what the email portion is. And then we have the funnel builder tool. The funnel builder tool is what you see, the first link below this video. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And you could basically build out any kind of pages that you want to build out for any kind of opportunity. And that's going to be very important for you to be able to capture leads on social media if they watch one of your videos, or if they see a piece of content on social media and they want to get more information, they're going to go to your capture page. And if I scroll down here, I go to right here, I go to add a new step, add a page. My web guy has created very nice pages for people to use for their business, so you can select any kind of page you want. These are custom pages that were custom made for you to be able to use, and they're very high quality pages. No other system has pages like these because they were custom done from my web guy that pretty much built my whole traffic store, profitbuilderstraffic.com. And I mean, as you can see right here, we have very high quality pages for a links page, and this is a video links page, right? So you could put a video up here, and then you could have your links down here, and this is very, very nice compared to other kinds of links pages. Like a Linktree page is kind of ugly. We have some very nice pages when it comes to the funnel builder tool, and you could select any kind of page that you need. It also comes with a calendar booking widget, so you don't need Calendly or anything like that. You can come and you can use our calendar widget to be able to book meetings with people. If you're doing high ticket offers or whatever the case is, you can book your meetings with our calendar widget, and you don't need to pay additional for that as well. And we have training. Once you have the funnel builder set up, we have training on exactly how to get traffic to your offer. So we show people how to create emails that serve and sell, like how you would write them. We show people how to create video content, how to rank that video content so it gets traffic. That's why you see my videos at the top of the search. We show people how to connect with people on social media, on platforms like Facebook, what to actually say to them, and how to have conversations with people. And a really cool thing about Facebook is we actually have a tool that will follow up with your Facebook friends. So basically all your Facebook friends will be loaded. So whenever you get our funnel builder tool, it comes with the emailer. And we also have a tool up here as well, and the tool actually helps you to get Facebook friends added to your page. So it'll load your Facebook friends that you have, it'll add them to the inviter, and then it'll send them out invites, and it'll ask them if they're open, so you could get leads from Facebook. That's how this tool works. So you get leads from Facebook when you use this inviter tool, and then it'll send out invites. As you can see right here, send out 404 invites out of 1,078 so far. And once these are done, it's going to load up another 1,000 invites and send them out. So it asks people if they're open that are on my page, and this way I get people who are interested, and they say they're interested, and they give me their email, right? So this is going to help you to be able to not only follow up with your Facebook friends, but if you're engaging with Facebook friends in the inbox, it helps your content to be seen on Facebook, right? So you get this tool with the funnel builder tool and the emailer, right? And our emailer is really the best emailer that you could possibly get. It keeps your list clean. It will clean everything, and you'll have a turnkey system. And this turnkey system, it gives you 80% of every dollar, and it comes back to you, right? So, and it's residual income. So if you've wanted to build residual income with high ticket, this is definitely it. So you're going to go below this video. This page right here is the second link below this video. So it's going to show you exactly how to have systems and the importance of systems. So if you've been trying to build offers online or trying to make sales online, or you're just getting started, you're going to need something that get you up and going so you could start making sales immediately. This system right here is a turnkey system, so there's nothing you need to do once you sign up. You're already going to have a system that's ready to go for you, and you don't need to set anything up. There's no email set up. There's no pages that you need to set up. This is already set up for you. So everything's already done as soon as you sign up. You don't need to do anything except sign up, and you could click on the second link below this video to come to this page. Once you sign up, it's $35 and you get 2 weeks free of the daily hands-on coaching, and you're able to come on every single day, learn marketing skills, and get your questions answered daily, right? We give daily coaching, which no other platform does. I'm here to help. And anybody who signs up with you, I put you in a Profit Builders Alliance chat group. So that's our team group, and I support you every single day as well. So I'm not somebody that will get somebody to sign up, then be out on them, which a lot of marketers do. They'll get people to sign up, they'll get their money, then they'll be out. That's not me. That's not what I believe in. And I actually want to help people to get results and have success online, right? So if you want to learn more about systems and how to actually have all these things already built and ready to go for you, then go to the second link below this video, put your information in, and if you have any questions, leave your questions below this video. I will answer all the questions that people leave, so put them below. Also, make sure you get into my free Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. There's going to be a link to my traffic store, profitbuilderstraffic.com, which was also built on this funnel builder tool. So I built my products on here, and you can too. There's going to be a link to that below this video as well. And if you want to keep up to date when I post new videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.